Hey everybody. Alright. Today I'm going to teach you the basic slip knot. It's one of the most handiest, quick knots that I can think of, other than the slip knot's great for like if you're doing trailer hitches or if you just need to temporarily attach something like to a tree, to a trailer, or whatever. To do it, you simply get your rope, you make a loop, you go the line that goes on the back side, you reach through, you grab onto that line, simply pull it through, and you have yourself your slip knot. It's called a slip knot because when you pull that part through, it comes right back out. Very, very simple knot. You can do it on the long end or the short end. What you do, you can I use it a lot for like your trucker on the trucker hitch. So when you pull it out, you just pull this and you get your line back. Very handy. There's hundreds of different things you can use this for, but this is just to show you how to make the slip knot. If you came to this, if you found this video via the helpful camping knots, there you go. If not, if you just happen to find the video, make sure you click up in the corner and it'll send you to the most helpful knots used for camping that I personally use, and I always get questioned on. So